Are you wanting to turn your baby Buddha into a wearable breast pump? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use wearable cups to make your amazing baby Buddha an even more portable option. But before we get started, be sure to head to the description for this video to check out all of the freebies that I have for you. There's an option for everyone, from milk supply to weaning to preparing to breastfeed and pumping. You are going to find something that is going to help you make your breastfeeding journey a little bit easier. The Baby Buddha is one of the most popular breast pumps out there, and for good reason. It's portable, it's efficient, and it's easy to use. However, a lot of moms find themselves wanting to make it even more portable with a wearable option. Wearable breast pumps are all the rage right now. Unfortunately, they don't end up being the most efficient pumps. They tend to have weaker motors, and I find that they often wear out a lot more quickly than a more standard pump like the Baby Buddha. However, wearable cups are a great in-between option. It's not totally wire-free because you're going to have the tubing coming out of your shirt or under your shirt, but it does make it so you can use your baby Buddha and just walk around and not worry about holding your pump or sitting down or anything like that. There's a lot of different brands of wearable cups out there. Most of them are pretty similar. The FREEBIE is probably the OG of the wearable cups. It has a hard plastic center like this. I find it to be a little hard to take off, but it is sturdy, and I find that it works really well with the Baby Buddha. Baby Buddha has produced their own cup as well, which works really well. It has a silicone back to it, which it's like putting the Tupperware lid on. It's a little bit tricky, but it works really well. And then the legendary milk cups are also very popular. I would say it is almost exactly the same as the Baby Buddha. So just get whatever one works best for you. These wearable cups are fairly simple. They are usually just two-piece design. So it has the hard plastic part and then the flange, and then it has the valve right here and then has the membrane. You just put them together, make sure to line up that membrane with the hole on the bottom. So you have nice good suction, and then make sure whichever one you're using, that it's just on there nice and tight so it works well. So you're gonna take the original tubing that came with your Baby Buddha, and on the two shorter pieces, you're just gonna pop off that white piece. You are going to connect that to the hole. Usually it's going to be on the top of your cups. That is for the tubing, and just slide that in there. Then you're going to take the longer piece of the tubing and connect it to your breast pump. Keep that white piece on to your Baby Buddha, just like you normally would. Then you are just going to slip this into your bra and make it line up with your nipple. Just make sure it's nice and comfortable. Then you'll turn it on and you can get started with pumping. And you want to repeat that on both sides. One thing to keep in mind to make sure that it is actually connected correctly is to turn it on before you place it, because you should see that this is pulsating, the membrane inside. And so if that's working, then the suction should be good and you should be good to go. Like I said, it's going to be very similar with other breast pumps, with other wearable cups. I do find that the FREEBIE is a little bit harder to get the tube in, so you just have to push it in a little bit harder, but it works the same. There's a lot of different options out there. I'll do a video comparing them, but there's not much else to say. Just clean it like you normally would. Just take it apart, clean, sanitize it as needed, and you should be good to go. I'll put some links to different cups below, the ones that I find people really enjoy using. If you use the Baby Buddha option or you want to get the Baby Buddha pump, you can use my coupon code TBM for 10% off anything on their website. But otherwise, I'll see you next time, and I hope that this was a helpful tutorial.